So hey everybody, this is going to be a hair review video, well more like a wig review video. I did receive this wig from YGwigs.com and I am so happy with it. However, I do have some little kinks to it that I don't like, but for the most part I will say that this wig is super secure. So just going over, like, you know, the specs of this wig. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. This is 180 density and it's still super natural looking, but you still have like that fullness and the bounce. There's no tangles. I did experience a little bit of shedding. The only thing that I will say about this unit that kind of threw me off a little bit is the fact that the ear tabs don't come all the way down. So I'm assuming that this might be a petite cap. And if I would have known that, I would have probably not put my wig cap so far up, because normally wigs come to me super big and I have to push them forward. But this one came really kind of small. So maybe you might want to think about ordering a size up if you do order from them. But the wig does come super snug. So really quick, what you get in the box is you get this little pouch thing to put your wig back in once you take it off. You also get some alligator clips, which I'm just discovering that all this stuff was under here, so I'm exploring this box with you guys as well. So you get some alligator clips. I wish I would have saw these. I wish I would have saw this as well. You do get an elastic band with some extra clips. You get a little coupon thing if you refer a friend and if you post. And it also comes with instructions, of course, and just little promos. So this is like a little brochure. And then they also sent some wig caps. I wish I would have saw this as well, but I can always use them on the next wig. So that's what comes in the box. Most places won't give you like clips to hold your hair back and stuff, but I have to say applying this wig was super easy. This is the original texture of the hair. I did not wash this unit before applying it. It came pre-plucked. I did not want to pluck this anymore because I do like the kind of full look, because my hair is super thin, so I like the fullness around my perimeter. But I will say it's super realistic. The hairline is actually really nice. Again, I wish I would have got a bigger size in this wig. But yeah, minimal shedding. It is super pretty, super soft. Again, this is the original texture, and I didn't want to mess that up, so that's also why I did not wash this wig first. And I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see. This is 20 inches. It's really pretty. So the reason why I styled it like this is because, again, I just wanted to be able to take this out the box and put it on, and clearly I can do that. But I probably should have plucked this just a little bit around the sides, but again, I don't mind the fullness around my perimeter. And I don't have any hair out. Again, as you guys can see my cap right here, I wish I would have known that this cap comes super small, but I can still hide it pretty good. So yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the little how I apply it in this video, also the short review, and I will leave links for everything down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.